Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 79 Buick Regal. It is an 84,000 mile 200 car. It is in extremely nice shape. The previous owner, which happens to be my cousin and good friend Anthony, went in and built these all out of fiberglass, casting them, both front and rear. It's the original 301 V8 motor. It has ice cold air. Starts and runs excellent, as you can see. It's got an AM FM stereo, ice cold air conditioning. Kick the AC on for me. Car has all original body panels, all original glass. It's a cream puff. 84,000 mile 200 car. Original interior right down to the seat covers and carpet. Look at the shine. My cousin did this paint job and it looks amazing. A really nice old car. Like I said, he got originals, used a form and cast these out of fiberglass and made what has been a problem on these cars, something really nice. Original door panels, stickers in the jams, whole 9 yards. Original seat covers look really great for original. A little bit of wear right here. Original back seat, original headliner. Has center caps here in a box. $84,000 miles. Tilt, cruise, AM FM stereo, RCA, AM FM. Power windows, remote mirror. It's in really great shape. Very nice car. This pinstripe is hand laid in the paint. You can't feel it. All original chrome. I love the custom painted bumpers. I think that just gives this car a fantastic stance. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks.